Hello, my dear students. How are you? I hope all are good. Welcome back to another class. Today, let me start GK Unit 1, Discover India, Chapter number 1, Pride of India. Indian entrepreneurs have founded new ventures and made waves all across the world. We are proud of their achievements. Match the columns by writing the same number to tell which entrepreneur was or is associated with which company. Ritesh Agrawal. Ritesh Agrawal, Oyo Rooms. K.M. Maman Mapillai. Number 2. Madras Rubber Factory. Karsan Bhai Patel. 3. Nirma Group. Kiran Mazumdar Shah. Biocon. N.R. Narayana Murthy. Number 5. Infosys Technology. Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Paytm. Baiju Ravindram. Byju's. Sunil Bharti Mittal. 8. Bharti Enterprises. TV Sundaram Iyengar. 9. TVS Group. Lakshmi Mittal. Arkela Mittal. Azim Premji. Wipro Technologies. Gautam Adani. 12. Adani Group. Ekta Kapoor. Balaji Telefilms. Nitin Kamath. Zerodha. 14. Shiv Nadar. Hindustan Computers Limited. 15. Dr. Pratap Reddy. Apollo Hospital Group. Bhavish Agrawal. Ola Cabs. Naina Lal Kidwai. Last one. Roche Child and Company. Okay. These are the entrepreneurs. So everyone, this chapter is in here. So let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 2. Our democracy. Constitution of India. It was handwritten and calligraphed in both English and Hindi, not typeset or printed. The original copy is kept in special helium-filled case in the Library of the Parliament of India. 284 members, which included 15 women, signed the document on January 24, 1950. It took 2 years, 11 months and 17 days to draft the Indian Constitution. It is the longest written constitution. In 79 years, India's constitution has been hailed as one of the world's best constitutions, especially because it has only seen 106 amendments. Okay, so tick right the correct option. Let me start. Which important human right is protected in Article 21 of Constitution of India? Which important human right? Right to life and liberty. Option B. Number 2. From which constitution was the concept of 5-year plan borrowed into the Indian constitution? Number 2. Option B. USSR. 3. Which of the following constitutional posts enjoyed for a fixed term? President. 4. The amendment which was passed in 2003 was the dash occasion upon which the constitution was amended. 92nd. Fact to know. Question number B. Answer the following questions about the Lok Sabha. Which is the largest Lok Sabha constituency by number of voters? Malkajgiri. 2. Which is the smallest Lok Sabha constituency by number of voters? Lakshadweep. 3. Which state has the highest number of MPs in Lok Sabha? Number 3. Uttar Pradesh. What is the minimum age limit required for the membership of Lok Sabha? 25 years. What is the head of the Lok Sabha known as? किससे जाना जाता है? Speaker. Who is the current head of Lok Sabha? Om Birla. What is the term of Lok Sabha? 5 years. When was the first session of Lok Sabha held? 13 May 1952. Who was the first Speaker of Lok Sabha? G.V. Mavlankar. Next, also answer the following questions about the Rajya Sabha. What is the other name of Rajya Sabha? Council of State. Number 2. When did the Rajya Sabha come into force? 23rd August 1954. What is the maximum strength of the Rajya Sabha? 250 members. How many members of the Rajya Sabha are nominated by the President? 12. What is the minimum age for a person to be a member of the Rajya Sabha? 30 years. Who is responsible for the efficient and smooth conduct of the business of the upper house? Leader of the House. Who was the first chairman of Rajya Sabha? Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. What is the term of a member of Rajya Sabha? 6 years. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 3, New Parliament of India. So let's read. As part of India Central Vista Redevelopment Project, a new parliament building was constructed in New Delhi. It was inaugurated on 28 May 2023 by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The triangular shape. The new building is triangular in shape mostly because the plot of land that it is built on is a triangle. According to architect Bimal Patel, the shape is also a nod to the sacred geometry in different religions. Its design and materials are meant to complement the old parliament, with the two buildings expected to function as one complex. Built-up area. The new parliament building has 3 stories and a built-up area of 64,500 square meter. The Lok Sabha chamber will have 888 seats and 888 seats, up from the existing 543, with the option of expanded seating up to 1,272. The Lok Sabha will be used for joint sittings of both houses in the absence of a central hall, which was the fulcrum of the old building. The cost of building it. The cost of the new parliament, however, remains unknown. The initial contract was given for 861.9 crore to Tata Projects, but by the time the project started, the cost went up to 971 crore. Since then, government officials say the cost has gone up to 1,200 crore. So the includes are 200 crore for the artwork procured by the Culture Ministry. The government is yet to announce the final completion cost. So my dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter, chapter number 4. Indian ports. India has a long coastline with many ports. Read the descriptions and write the names of the ports using the help box. 1. This port is in Odisha. It mostly handles coal and iron ore cargo. So ये है Paradip Port. 2. It was the first port in India. It is located towards north of Chennai. ये है Ennore Port. 3. Located on the coast of Andhra Pradesh, it is the deepest land located port. 3. Visakhapatnam. 4. India's first private port. It is located in Saurashtra region of Gujarat. Port Pipavav. 5. It is the only riverine port in India. Kolkata Port. 6. This port is famous for pier fishing. It is located in Tamil Nadu. Number 6. ये है Tuticorin Port. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 5. Tribes of India. India is the home to a large number of indigenous people who are still untouched by the modern world. With more than 104 million, India has the largest population of the tribal people in the world. These tribal people, also known as the Adivasis, are the poorest in the country, who are still dependent on hunting, agriculture, and fishing. Some of the major tribal groups in India are given below. Write the name of states where they are found. You can take help from Zoom in box. Number 1. Santals are the third largest tribe in India. They are mostly found in the states of West Bengal, Bihar. Space तो कम है भाई. West Bengal, Bihar, Odisha, and Assam. They belong to the pre-Aryan period and have been great fighters from the time of Britishers. Number 2. Munda tribe mainly inhabits the region of Jharkhand, although they are well spread in the states of which states? West Bengal, Bihar, छत्तीसगढ़. ओके, ये शॉर्ट में लिख दिया मैंने. छत्तीसगढ़ एंड झारखंड. Number Munda generally means headman of the village. Hunting is the main occupation of the Mundas. Number 3. Khasi tribe is mainly found in the Khasi and Jaintia hills in Meghalaya and the states of Assam, Punjab. ओके, उत्तर प्रदेश, हम इसको शॉर्ट में यूपी लिख देंगे. उत्तर प्रदेश, मणिपुर, and Jammu and Kashmir. Okay, they form the large part of the population in the state of Meghalaya. Number 4, Angami tribe belongs to the extreme northeastern part of the country in the state of which state? Nagaland. The total population of the Angamis is 1,41,732 people. They are quite popular for their woodcraft and artwork. Skirni is the main festival celebrated among the Angamis in Nagaland. Number 5. Bhutia tribes are of the Dash region, which Sikkim. Origin in the northern part of the Sikkim, they are known as the Lakin Pass and Lachin Pass. Bhutias form 14% of the total population of Sikkim. Losar and Luzum are the main festivals celebrated among the Bhutia tribe. Number 6. Chenchu inhabit in the Annamalai Hills, which have been the part of the Nagarjuna Sagar Tiger Sanctuary for centuries in Andhra Pradesh. They are mainly found in the districts of Mahbubnagar, Nalgonda, Praksham, Guntur and Kurnool. Number 7. The Gonds are the tribal community mostly found in the Chhindwara district of which? Madhya Pradesh, MP. Bastar district, Chhattisgarh. and also in the parts of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh, and Maharashtra. Gonds have been largely influenced by the Hindus and for the long time have been practicing the Hindus' culture and traditions. Number 8. Bhils are popularly known as the bowmen of Rajasthan. They are the most widely distributed tribal groups in India. They form the largest tribe of the whole South Asia. Bhils are mainly divided into two main groups, the central or pure Bhils and eastern or Rajput Bhils. So dear students, this chapter is in here. Now let's begin the next chapter. Chapter number 6. Famous worship places of India. India is a land of diversity and varied cultures. It is a land of festivals and temples. Temples are everywhere and every street. People in India are very religious and most follow their religion. Avidly read the description of each temple and write its name. Number 1. It is the most famous temple of Tamil Nadu. There are nearly 14 gopurams or gateways that are magnificently carved with beautiful paintings adorning the walls and thousands of stone figures. Out of the 14 towers, only 4 are the major ones and are on all sides. In the southern, eastern, western and northern tower are the spectacular ones. It is Meenakshi temple. Number 2. This is dedicated to Mata Vaishno Devi and is one of the most visited temple in India. Temples in India, it is located about 52,000 feet above the land. Bhairo temple. Okay. Number 3. The temple located at a small town of Palani, much famous for its temple. It is one of the 6 abodes of Lord Kartik, other famous being the one at Tiruchendar. Okay, so it is Palani Murugan temple. Number 4. After a treasure was uncovered at this temple, it became the world's richest temple, leaving behind Tirupati Balaji. The treasure is estimated to be of more than 1 lakh crore with one of the chamber yet to be opened. ये है पद्मनाभ स्वामी टेम्पल. पद्मनाभ स्वामी temple. Number 5. Located at the very end of the Indian peninsula, separated from mainland India. According to Hindu mythology, Lord Ram built a bridge here to rescue Sita from Ravana. Till date, the shorelines are also very quiet as it was promised to Lord Rama by the sea god to pave the way for building the bridge. Number 5. Rameshwaram temple. Number 6. It is dedicated to Lord Vishnu and located in the costly city of Puri. Coastal city of Puri, there are more than 100 different festivals observed in the temple. ये है जगन्नाथ, श्री जगन्नाथ temple. Number 7. It is one of the holiest shrine of Hinduism, also part of the Char Dham and the Chota Char Dham. This mini Chardham has its followers from across the length and breadth of the country. Shri Kedarnath. Temple. Number 8. This temple is 2500 years old and dedicated to Lord Krishna. Just as is Badrinath of north, Rameshwaram of south, Jagannath Puri of the west, Dwarkadhish is the part of Char Dham pilgrimage in the west. यह है रुक्मिणी देवी टेम्पल. Number 9. With the message of Sabka Malik Ek Hai, one God governs all, Sai Baba came in the small village of Shirdi. He thought that there is one God and taught people to love, be kind and to help others. Selflessly, Hindus, Muslims and people from all religions are devotees of Sun. ये है साईं बाबा मंदिर in Maharashtra. Sai Baba Mandir. So, my dear students, all chapters of this unit are completed here. I hope you all are very well understand all chapters. So, we will meet you the next class. Thank you everyone.